What's up, everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes. This video is about investing generally, and I used to make videos about stocks and get my information from Google, but now I'm making a video and I want to share some insightful news, or whatever you want to call it, that I found helpful last week, and that's on X, formerly known as Twitter. And if 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 someone creates an account, I'm not going to say you because that sounds too like whatever, but if someone creates an account and then in the interest section you put in investing or learning how to invest, and whatever else you're interested in, those type of things will pop up on your account as you open it up, just like Instagram or Facebook or whatever. And you'll see that there's like a thing called spaces going on, which is where people can create a cohort of people talking to each other about what's going on in the stock market. It's Monday through Friday, and it starts at 6:30 when the market opens, and it kind of ends around 1 p.m. Some things can carry on a little bit after that, but people that I follow on there are, first, Elon Musk. Second, this isn't in order, but there's another guy named Wolf. There's a picture of a wolf in purple. That's the icon. And then there's another one called Casey Trades. I've posted them on my Instagram account at Tuck Notes. And basically last week, I listened to these people talk about what's going on in the market and the information they give. And they talk about either certain stocks to invest in currently, like at that moment, and when to possibly buy them, and then when to possibly sell them. This is also, there's a thing called options, which is a high risk, high make money, and lose a lot of money and lose a lot of money. And so basically, they talk about options and different stocks and say, hey, wait for this. These are the tips that I'm learning. Wait for them to say the ticker symbol, the date, the number, like the value number to buy the option at, like $40 option, and the date of the option that will be in the options section on, I use Robinhood, and then you purchase the option. One purchases the option, and then they don't yet say the expiration date. I mean, it expires on the date that you put it on. So you're putting it on, like, you can look on the other videos about how to do options, but what I found was find three things that you're interested, three different stocks that you're interested or are appealing to you that you hear, and follow what they say, and you might be amazed at what the outcome is in terms of the gains that you'll make potentially off of what I think the robots are saying to each other. I've never came across anything like this before in my life. I got so hooked into it that I got up to like 20 options, and that's too many to control when you don't have an account that's over $25,000. So if you stick to three, that allows you to sell that option that day if you feel like you want to. You're allowed 3 day trades. That's a day trade of a stock or an option, and then you have to wait a period of like 5 days, business days, to then have those erased and start again. Or you can wait until the next day, buy the option that day, of that time, and then look at the time that you bought it, and then 24 hours from them, or 24.1 hours from them, then you can sell it. My account was down to like 64% loss, and I brought it back to 58% now. I don't have a lot of money. I don't have a job where I'm making a lot of money. But if you have a job and it allows you to listen to something while you're working, I highly suggest checking this out, because this is the most not talked about information out there. It's better than YouTube. It's better than anything you hear on YouTube or any other source. It's the most accurate information I've ever came across in my entire life. And nothing is ever, it's not always perfect, but more often than not, what you hear and the decisions you may make off of what you hear are more likely to make you gains than losses. My losses happened because I got too greedy in terms of wanting to get all the options they were talking about, and therefore I lost some money. However, I made more money than I lost, which equates to like, that's a good thing. If I was to make money straight, you know, the IRS would look at my history and go, this is what's going on with this guy. He's getting information on, he's like an inside trader or whatever. I'm not. But it's a big deal and no one's talking about it. And I highly encourage anyone to check this out. You can do whatever you're into and listen to this and make gains off of it. Just remember, this is a number that I heard in it. Save 37% of whatever you make for taxes, I believe, for this year. And so say you make $1,000, put away roughly $333 or something like that, or like a little bit more than what I just said. If you found this video helpful, push the like button or whatever. Follow me on X at Tuck Notes, I think, or you can follow me on YouTube at Tuck Notes, or on Instagram at Tuck Notes. But I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any comments, feel free to leave them in the post below. All right, check you later.